Hello friends, in this video we will talk about Azure RBAC. RBAC stands for Role-Based Access Control. So there are four types of roles that are present in Azure. First one is called as a reader role, then we have a contributor role, then we have an owner role, then user access administrator role. So what the reader role does is allows only that read permissions. You can view resources in Azure portal. While in contributor role, you can modify, update, delete, create the resources, but you cannot assign any permission to any other user. So and what comes is the owner role. Owner role is does the same thing what contributor does, but he can also assign roles. He can assign user permissions to other users, whether what they want. And user access administrator, he can only control users. He can provide roles to his user, like a particular user can be a reader or contributor or owner. So that is a task of a user access administrator.